everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of bioinformatics file formats. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about file formats in biology? Well, my friend, let me tell you, this is one of the most crucial aspects of modern research and data analysis in the biological sciences. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. In this playlist, we will delve into discussions about a variety of bioinformatics file formats. 1. Introduction 2. Fasta and Fastq format 3. VCF and gVCF file format 4. GFF3 and GTF file format 5. SAM and BAM file format. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to do so for the most up-to-date videos and solutions related to bioinformatics. In this introductory video, we discuss about why bioinformatics file formats is important. Introduction Bioinformatics file formats are essential for several reasons in the field of computational biology and genomics. These formats play a crucial role in the storage, exchange, analysis, and interpretation of biological data. Here are some key reasons why bioinformatics file formats are important. First one is the data explosion. First things first, let's talk about the data explosion in the field of biology. With advancements in technology, we now have the ability to generate massive amounts of biological data, ranging from DNA sequences to gene expression profiles and protein structures. But here's the catch. All this data needs to be stored and managed efficiently to make sense of it all. Next one, we are discussing about the role of file formats. Enter bioinformatics file formats. These specialized file formats are designed to organize and store biological data in a structured way. They enable researchers, scientists, and even computers to interpret and analyze this wealth of information effectively. You see, file formats act as a common language that allows different software tools and databases to communicate seamlessly. Next is the power of standardization. Standardization is key in bioinformatics, and file formats play a crucial role in achieving it. Imagine a world without standardized file formats. Chaos would ensue. By adopting standardized file formats, researchers can easily share and exchange data, ensuring reproducibility and making collaboration a breeze. Let's discuss some examples of popular bioinformatics file formats. Let's take a quick look at some popular bioinformatics file formats you may have come across. We have the Fasta format for sequence data, the SAM-PAR-PARM format for mapping and alignment data, and the BED format for genomic annotations, just to name a few. Each format serves a unique purpose, and knowing which format to use for a specific analysis is essential. We also have to ensuring data integrity and privacy. Data integrity and privacy are paramount in any scientific endeavor. Bioinformatics file formats offer built-in security features, allowing researchers to restrict access to sensitive data, ensuring confidentiality. Additionally, these formats often include checksums and error-checking mechanisms, safeguarding the accuracy and integrity of the data. What is the future of bioinformatics file formats? As technology continues to advance, the world of bioinformatics file formats is constantly evolving. New formats are being developed to accommodate the ever-growing variety of biological data. Furthermore, efforts are being made to enhance interoperability between different formats, making data integration and analysis even more seamless. Conclusion. And there you have it, my friends. Bioinformatics file formats are the unsung heroes behind the scenes of groundbreaking research and scientific discoveries. By understanding their importance, we can unlock the true potential of biological data and pave the way for even more exciting breakthroughs in the future. Get ready to explore the hidden world of bioinformatics file formats and uncover their vital role in modern biology. In the next video, we will discuss about Fasta file format and Fast file format